Immerse yourself in the profound insights offered by Father Chuck Belmonte as he delves into daily reflections on various gospel passages from the Bible.
How can I achieve consistency in life living without a mask? Consistency in life denotes a harmonious integration of strong faith with daily actions, thoughts, and feelings. This is not merely an abstract ideal, but a divine grace that transforms the believer into a living witness of Jesus Christ. To be Christian means to think, feel, and act accordingly, recognizing the Lord's presence in every aspect of life. This inner unity avoids the scandal of inconsistency, which can distance others from the faith, and fosters a fulfilling life oriented toward love and service. Consistency prevents hypocrisy and addresses key questions. Do I truly believe what I proclaim? Do I live what I believe? Do I speak about what I live? This unity between faith and action inspires a credible witness, trusting in the Holy Spirit to renew the Church and engage in dialogue with the world. Holiness is not reserved for a select few, but is a path open to all. St. Thomas More shines as a powerful example of consistency in life. Imprisoned in the Tower of London for over a year, he endured hardships with serenity and good humor, writing letters filled with faith and familial love. He rejected offers of wealth and power to save his life, declaring, "I am not a man who changes his mind out of fear." He was beheaded on Tower Hill, accepting death with joy. He was an exemplary model of that unity of life, which expresses holiness in everyday situations and the public sphere. Thomas More integrated his faith into politics without separating it from morality. He defended the primacy of a well-formed conscience over any human power, living in complete unity between belief, thought, and action. His martyrdom was the culmination of a consistently lived life. Practical suggestions for living a more coherent life, daily examination of conscience. Dedicate a few minutes at the end of the day to review whether your actions reflect your faith, humbly seeking guidance to correct inconsistencies. God's presence in the ordinary. Offer daily work, conversations, and small tasks as acts of love to God, turning routine into continuous prayer. Ongoing formation. Regularly read the Gospel and engage in spiritual reading to deepen your understanding of doctrine, informing concrete decisions in family, professional, and social life. Self-control and contemplation. Practice small sacrifices, such as controlling your tongue, responsibly using social media, or keeping your environment tidy, to build inner order and avoid divisions in your personality. Witness in the public sphere. Act with Christian consistency in the workplace, political, or digital arenas, being a light without imposing, attracting others through the joy and authenticity of a unified life. Community and spiritual direction. Seek guidance from a confessor or director who can help identify weaknesses and foster growth in this unity. Living without masks is not a burden, but a liberation. It makes us freer, holier, and happier, reflecting the beauty of Christ in the world. By uniting wisdom and holiness in a single, consistent life, each of us can aspire to be a luminous and transformative witness.
I would be delighted to extend an invitation to you once again tomorrow for another insightful reflection on the Gospel by Father Belmonte.